Yo, welcome back to the BST4 channel. Witness, what's going on? What's happening, man? Listen, thank you guys for checking out the channel. I really do appreciate it. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and check out some more videos coming up. All right, man. It ain't about this car here. It's about the daggone
Pontiac's new Ventura 2.
Here's the deal, man. I was looking for cars on the internet late at night. I shouldn't be doing that because this is how you get jammed up and spend money that you really don't have. Late night, strip club, no money, no good. I threw the pictures up to you guys in the community and you guys responded. And I was really shocked on a lot of things that you guys said, man. But then again, back of my mind, I didn't want to check out the car. So my man Mike had said this. He said, listen, man, you have the entire heart of a true builder, customizer, fabricator. You see the opportunity and potential. This should be Build Something TV. The end. To be on the outside of the box, you gotta ruffle feathers, otherwise you can get stuck in a bird cage. Dude, I support you 100%, and this is a great opportunity to make this your laptop tuner car. Now when he said that, man, I was just like, okay, all right, Mike, you're gonna put the battery in my back to make me go check out this daggone car. So I start texting the guy, texting back and forth, this and that, and he said, all right, come on down. I was about to come down, and again, like I told you, I was like indecisive on even checking it. Part of me just didn't want to be bothered to go all the way down there. So he called me back and said, somebody's coming down from Maryland. The car is sold, no problem. Then he calls me back and said, are you interested? And I'm saying, what happened to the car? Did the guy come from Maryland? Why did he didn't get it? He said his winch broke. I'm in my back of my mind, like, he drove all the way down from Maryland to New Jersey. The winch broke and he came back home empty-handed. Something is wrong with the car. Red flag. After that, I said, all right, I'm gonna come down. All right, so here's what I saw. Yeah, there is drag marks. So Harrison, they did drag it, and but this is not it. It's doable as far as window seals and everything, but it's floors. I don't know about the floors. It looks legit. The doors. Let me see. Oh no, this door is hanging.
Ooh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I mean, I like it. It looks cool, but this ain't it, man. No. That door hanging got me a little scared. This is not it. Not for me anyway. Not for me. I don't know about you guys, but I don't. I don't know about this one. So as you can see in the video, I was not really enthused with it. Now the reason why I wasn't enthused with it, I started thinking about the Maverick. This is where the Maverick comes into play. You guys may look at me and say that car was still doable. Yes, it is still doable. But here's the deal, man. When I drove up to the car, I didn't fall in love with it. Like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? I didn't have that love in first sight. Like when you see a chick that, you know, that you really like. Us men were visual. That's why most men get catfished, because we go off of what is on the exterior versus what's really going on inside. This is no different with cars. You know, this one is better than that one that's over there, because the other one here, this is bad. The quarters are bad on both sides. I don't know what the floor looks like. I don't know what the steering looks like. I don't know. This one is better than that one. I mean, the floors in this one is legit. I did nothing to the floors except over it, all the way up top there. That was it. Everything else is all original floors. My floors are good. Oh, and also my door closes. You see what I'm saying? And I also have a hood. So for this one, I paid $500 shipping. Maybe even $600 if I'm really thinking about it. I didn't got to go get a goddamn tow truck. I was actually fortunate and spoiled. That car cost $700 and something. The guy said I'll take no lower than $6. So that means that I'm not haggling, because I ain't into no haggling. All right, so that car that you see right there on your screen, $600. Yes, they have all the sheet metal for that car, and yes, I could bring it back. Maverick stuff, I got a flip-flop Mustang stuff, and I got all these parts that you see from guys who threw away their projects, sold their cars off. You know what I mean? So that's how I got all this stuff kind of cheap, and it was still expensive. Still got $3,000 in this car. Yes, I do. $3,000 on this car as is, just with parts and just rear and all that other stuff. So, you know, I just did not want to go back into that realm. So Then I went to the junket and I saw this. Look what I've found. I'll be searching. We got a 1978 Mustang 2. Only I don't like about it is the T-tops, but that's all good. Now we can look at it, man. It's all there. This is there. I am telling you, this thing is small as heck though, but it is all there. No rust. Let's go around this thing here. No rust. This is the body style I like. This is the one I can get with. I mean, the quarters are good. Everything is pretty much good. Everything is there. Now, the door is locked. Can't really see much. You know what I mean? They made sure they locked the door. I want to know what you guys think about this thing here, man. Let's see if we can get a little bit of detail. Man, I don't know if you guys can see underneath there. This here is a heck of a find, man. This is amazing. Yellow is nasty, but this could be something. I don't like the T-top, but other than that, man, this is a good goddamn find, man. Man, my man, we're gonna go ahead and look at this, man, and this is crazy to find this type of thing right about now. I mean, it's all there. I think this thing will run. Man, you guys tell me what you think about this. Now, you see that there's a possibility that you can find a car that's halfway done versus, you know, really going all the way in, depending if the car is super duper rare and it's something that you really want to do. Like a Torino, I don't mind getting into it and get my hands dirty and trying to figure out what I you know, how to get it going, versus that
Ventura 2.
that Ventura, or whatever you want to call it, bootleg Nova. It was a good car. The roof and everything was legit. Most of you guys would say, man, you're crazy, you should have bought it anyway. Like I told you, I just did not feel like dealing with a locked wheel. Mind you, if it was summertime, yes, I'll be more gung-ho. But I'm not. This is cold out. Who's going to be sitting there jacking up a car trying to get the wheels to be unfreed? I did it with this car here too. I just didn't want to be bothered with that, man. So that's what happened, man. I just, you know, wanted to keep y'all guys posted on why I didn't get that car. So what I did, I started ordering parts for this. You know what I mean? I got to get the hoses and all of that stuff. I'm going to clog up the hose in the back. I want to see if this car can stay running. And that's the plan with this here, because I got to get this car moving. That car inspired me to get this car up and going. You know what I mean? So that's the kind of cool thing when you start to look for cars and then all of a sudden you kind of like got disappointed, but you're like, yo, man, you got an old car at home that you didn't even got moving yet. So I started that. I got me a radiator coming, drive shaft, I'm gonna send it out today or tomorrow. I got to get some hoses, block up that, and then I can sit there and really play with getting the car running. You know what I mean? I need the car to sit there and run. Then give it a nice little shakedown and see what it's really all about. You know what I mean? So that's what we're working with, man. So, man, thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV, man. Hope you guys were enlightened. Yo, man, tell me about that Mustang 2. If it's something to go and look at, you know, just let me know. And we'll be getting back to some more stuff here, man. I'm working on some stuff behind the scenes. This stuff I'm not going to really tell you guys at all, but I'll share a lot of the stuff that's going on behind the scenes. But this one, I probably won't. I'll just leave it up to the video and everything like that. And also too, man, check out my man's David's channel. Man, look here. If you like Crown Victoria stuff, man, and you talking about Coyote, Audi, and all that stuff, and turbos and all of that stuff, you need to talk to him. Push him to make more videos, man. He got good stuff. He got like 3 videos up. and they're very entertaining. If you're into the Crown Victoria, ask him some questions. He'll answer anything that you have going on, man. Yo, we need to, go ahead and support all the Crown Vic channels, man. If you guys got a Crown Vic channel, please leave your link in the description below so we can go ahead and check it out, so we can all support all the Panther platform channels. All right, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.